Well, thank you. I think everything that's has already been said, but I do want to just emphasize just thank Senator Blunt for his leadership in getting us that federal money. And in addition to Senator Hawley and Congresswoman Vicki Hartzler were very instrumental as well. And Governor Mike Parson, his leadership on this has been stellar and very much appreciated. And by the way, welcome to District 47. That's what the district I represent. As this process was unfolding, I talked to many people, and the concern that the rehab was going to take place and the impact in not only this community here in Rocheport, but all of mid-Missouri, Cooper County, people in Booneville, people in Columbia have been heavily impacted. So it looks like this is going to work out very well. And I do want to commend Senator Rowden for a very tough job that he had in negotiating the passage of the SCR 14, and it was huge, and I think he displayed great leadership, and it was a very tough thing to get done. And one last thing I want to mention, probably the hardest working small town mayor hasn't been mentioned, John Zonka, the mayor of Rocheport, done a lot of good work here. Thank you, John. I appreciate everybody being here, and thank you again.